Hello, my name is Paul, and I own Infinity Overland. And today we're going to take a tour of my tiny little shop. And as I'm not a professional with this, bear with me. Here we go. So one thing you might notice here is that I've got a lot of things in a very small area. 400 square foot garage, and I've pretty much used every inch I can. Starting out with my manual mill, as you can see, I actually use these tools. I did not go through and clean everything up. I just wanted to do a quick video tour so that you can see what I work with. This is a brand new tool for me. The Langmeyer Systems Titan 25T press brake. It is full CNC, and I am still trying to figure out how to use it, but you'll be seeing some videos on this as we learn how to use it and actually put it into production work. Here is my new X tool, the metal fab bundle. This is a CNC cabinet. It's a tiny little CNC. It's only 2 foot by 2 foot, but there's some slots here on the side that I can put longer material into. So hopefully we can make that work. Computer system that runs it. Over here, you'll see the welders. I got the laser welder, my trusty miller, and a wire feeder for the new laser. And yep, still trying to figure that out. Been doing some laser welding. It's taking a little bit of a time to figure out. Over here, my CNC mill. And I've had this one for a while. I've been playing with it. Still not any good with it. But eventually, that is going to start making some new parts. Been doing a little carving, as you can see. My little air conditioner, because it gets bloody hot here in Reno. The air compressor, air dryer on top of that. My trusted bandsaw. This thing has seen a lot of miles, a lot of cuts, and still going strong. Phenomenal piece of gear. My build table, as you can see, any flat surface in this shop gets just covered. So we'll have to uncover that, and we got some work to do this morning, so we'll get to that. This is my new powder coating oven. Thing is a giant in comparison to what I was using. This thing is way bigger, and I absolutely love it. And then we've got the new powder coat booth. And it may not look like much, but this is a huge improvement over what we were using. Got a whole fan system set up so that it pulls the powder. Really, really nice. Okay, so over in the corner, you can see my pan and box brake. And I use that every day. And you see tube bender, tube roller, my toolbox that is way overstuffed with tools. Behind it, my 50-ton press. And way over in the corner, we'll get up there here real quick. That's the shock building station over there. So, as you can see, I am cramped for space, but trying to make the most of it. And we make some pretty cool stuff out of here, and hopefully you'll come along with us and watch some of these videos and ask some questions. We'll answer as best we can, as quickly as we can, and go from there. If you like to see any of these tools in use, well, we're learning. The X tool, the press brake, the CNC mill, these are all new things to me. and we gotta figure out how to use them. Here's another shot of the garage, a little bit better shot with the door open. It's how I work most of the time. Keeps a little bit of a breeze and keeps things running. But I will tell you this, most of the stuff that we build is for the Ford F-150 Raptors. We're getting into more stuff, but for now that's where we're at. And I wanted to take you over and show you my little Gen 1, see what you think. Here's my truck. It's a 2014 Special Edition Ruby Red Super Cab. This one was built by Rogue Racing back when they were still building stuff. They're out of business now, but this was built in 2014 for the SEMA show and one of their last big builds, I believe. Anyways, I acquired this truck and been beating the hell out of it. I like it a lot. Stock width, fabricated front end with 3030 setup, cantilever rear end, 19 inches of travel. It does really well off-road, although I got some tuning to do on it and some dialing in. Only built a couple of things on this truck. Built the bumper, built the bed rack. See if we can get a good picture of that here. There you go. Set up for 2 spares. Only carrying 1 at the moment, but as you can see, this truck gets used. It's not a pavement princess. Bypasses up underneath, nice and protected like that. Although I see a new puddle. That's not good. Bottom of the diff is all wet. Let's look at that a little bit further. Yep, that would be a leaking pinion seal. So we'll be replacing that here pretty quick. Well, there's something else we need to replace. Let me get a good shot of that. That would be my transmission cross member, all beat to hell. So looks like we're going to be doing some work on that as well. Alright, here we are back in the shop. You know, I want to say a couple of things. Number one is I've been building stuff for Raptors now for about 12 years, 13 years. And I do absolutely love working on them, building new stuff for them, figuring out new things. A lot of stuff on the Gen 1's now getting discontinued, so we're making products that replace things that Ford's discontinued. But we'll continue working on stuff and moving forward. Currently, I still work a full-time job and do this on my time off, nights and weekends and whatnot. So if we're a little slow getting product out, that's why. You know, tough to work 40, 50 hours a week and then put in another 40, 50 hours a week in the shop. But we're making it happen. Hopefully with your help and maybe YouTube's help, we can quit that damn W-2 job and go full-time in this and have some bunch of new products. I hope you enjoyed this mini shop tour. If you want to see more of what's in the shop, how it's used and that sort of thing, just make some comments on the video. I'll respond and we'll do what we can. I'm still learning a lot of this stuff, so bear with me. But this has been the first video. It's probably the worst video because it's my first. But if this is the kind of content you want to see, and this is the kind of stuff you want to watch, learn, come along with me. Be an adventure. Have a great day.